Today we are going to take a look at this teacher tote bag. It's great. It's perfect for back to school. We're going to open it, see what's inside, see how easy it was to set up. Let's go. Okay, so to give you an idea of what came with the box, just the three items here. It looks like it's the base, the actual bag itself, and then the wheels. So we're going to go ahead and put it together, see how easy it is and how fast I can do it. So it says to just make sure you put it, see this little hole here, and it just lines up. All of them have the same thing. It literally just kind of pushes on and locks in place, and the wheels turn really easily. So there is actually 5 wheels. I wasn't crazy. Just turn this. Okay, maybe it's that one. There we go. Okay, see, there's supposed to be 5 wheels. And then this will go up and down. Okay, we're gonna have a good look at this bag before we put it on. I've opened it all up so you can see. First of all, in the front pocket, there is, it's kind of like accordion style for all your files. And then there's 2 deep pockets here on either side. In the front is just a nice big pocket. Inside, there's lots of individual pockets here. You can put, they're kind of like the size of a tumbler glass, just to give you an idea. And then this is quite a big pocket here. This is the other side. Over here, there's 2. And there's a Velcro strap. That would be if you maybe had a computer in there or something like that. I'm sorry, I'm hitting the camera here. And then another big pocket here. On the side here is a nice big open pocket. And on the other side is another pocket. But this one has an area for markers, things like that. And then the pocket down here. So, oh, and I can't leave this up. The lid has a nice see-through pocket right here. I love all the pockets on this, and it's such a nice looking bag. I'm gonna zip it up and we'll put it on the trolley. We want this strap to go over all the way down, and we are ready to go. This is great. I love this bag. So I think this is a great bag if you want to use it as a teacher bag. You can use it also as a cosmetic or a makeup or even a hair bag, but it's got all these pockets, and I think it's just a fabulous bag.